Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a custom sections in Shopify. Custom sections allow you to tailor your store's layout and design to fit your brand perfectly. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. To do so, open your web browser and go to shopify.com, then enter your credentials to access your admin. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Next, go to the online store section. Just click on online store in the left hand sidebar, then select themes. Find your active theme and click the customize button. Now it's time to create a custom section. In the theme editor, look for the option to add a new section in the left sidebar. Click add section and choose custom HTML or any available other section type that allows you for customer content. Click add to include in your theme. After adding your custom section, it's time to personalize it. Click on the section to open the customization options. You can enter your custom HTML, images, or any other content you wish to display. Adjust the settings such as spacing, alignment, and other styling options. Then click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom section in Shopify. This feature lets you design unique layouts and enhance your store's visual appeal. If you liked this video and found it helpful, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.